Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sadia and many people knows me as Sadia Education Wali. I'm passionate about education and helping students learning in a simple and effective way. I believe that education has the power to change lives and I always try to inspire learners through a knowledge, motivation and guidance. So s- today we have a Marang AI Wali. So please Marang, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Maharang Imran. I am 10 years old. I live in Islamabad, Pakistan. My hobbies are to swim and cycle. I have a lot more hobbies. My favorite food is, you can say, if you're asking home food, it's chicken karai and biryani, and my outside favorite food is pizza and burger.
Okay, so Marang, why do people know you as AI Wali?
Is
Marang, I'm saying why do people know you as AI Wali?
Wali.
Dear, your mic is muted. That's why I can't listening you.
I'm saying I am saying that, are you asking me that why people know me as AI Wali?
Yes.
Okay, now let me tell you. People know me as AI Wali because I they really in all of my interviews I have given or taken, I always say that AI is easy and and it helps you in every task you are in need of help. If no
Okay.
one is there to help you, you can just ask AI and it will step by step guide you to how you can complete your any type of work or project you have.
Okay, let's tell us about your hometown.
Hometown is my home is like in Islamabad, and my hometown is like a big neighborhood. I really my neighborhood is really big. I am really kind in this neighborhood. Sometimes I give neighbors some gifts just on specific days like holidays where you can give gifts and things. I give my neighborhood gifts, and the hometown also respects everyone in the neighborhood. So that's my hometown.
Okay, so nice of you. Then my next question is, how would you describe yourself in three words?
I creative. I creative, creative, kind, and I don't know else, but I would not know. Create a
O-
lot of ideas.
Okay, so nice. So our next question is, how do you what are your favorite hobbies?
My favorite hobbies I told you in the introduction: swimming and cycling.
Okay, so nice of you. So what did you join Rehan School online batch to?
Why did I join it?
I'm saying what did you join Rehan School online batch to?
Why did I join, or what did I join?
Sorry, what and why?
I joined Rehan School back online academy because one time my mom was going down. She saw that Rehan School was open, and she put me for admissions in there. So I joined it and really enjoyed staying in Rehan Tuition Academy batch.
Okay, what was your first impression of AI course?
I don't know if I have done an AI course because they never said I done an AI
Okay,
course.
okay. So, what new skills have you learned so far?
I have been stuck with the old task because now I'm in ACCL Foundation right now, and there's story post, Canva post, coding task, call any, TEDx, and more stuff that is there.
Okay. So, what's AI tool you join most?
What?
I'm saying, which AI tools do you enjoy using the most?
I like using ChatGPT, Meta AI because they both are really helpful and easily help you whenever you're stuck.
Okay. What was the biggest challenge when learning AI?
The biggest challenge while learning AI.
Yes.
The biggest challenge was that sometimes whenever I use I ask for pictures, but sometimes it just gives me the wrong type of picture. And and I try to explain in every way but it just misplaces the item that is supposed to be on the picture.
Okay. So, what type of content do you enjoy creating the most?
Content I create content of my task like call annies, TEDx, and like interviews like I'm doing with interview with you. The story post and all my other tasks are just content. So that's what I just do for my daily updates.
Okay. How do you think AI can help students?
Learn. So I think how AI can help students. Are you asking about Rehan school students or other school students?
All students.
AI can help not in the way of if you use it in a bad way like cheating. It's not like that. You can use AI for help and not in other things. Only use AI for help in projects.
Okay.
If you don't know what you want to build, you can ask AI and it will give you a bunch of ideas that you can use.
Okay.
And in Rehan school, Pacific, if the teacher gives you a task and it says and the teacher says you that you can make your own project, but you don't know what, you cannot make an idea. You can ask AI. I would
Okay.
explain a
So,
lot more, but it's fine.
okay. So nice. Your question. Back. Now our next question is, what advice would you give to someone who is afraid of learning with AI?
The people who are what?
I'm saying, what advice would you give to someone who is afraid of learning with AI?
Afraid of learning AI.
Yes.
I would say that in this interview, I am AI Wali, and learning with AI is actually really easy. It's not harmful, and it will help you a lot. So you should learn with AI It's not harmful, and it's not anything that would make you not anything that would make you actually angry. It's the AI will help you if you are stuck. AI will help you if you are tired. It will motivate you every time. So that's why you should not be afraid of learning AI. It's easy.
Okay, then what advice would you give to beginners starting their AI journey today?
AI journey, you should. I want to say that the advice I want to give who are right now beginners, everyone, I would like to tell you that always don't start away with the experts things. Start with the basics, only giving prompts to chat gpt. While with starting with that, you will slowly become an expert in ai, and you will you will know how to do more. You will know how to use ai more and what it is
Okay.
used for.
Okay, so what the final message would you like to share with everyone watching this interview?
I would like to give you, never give up, keep following your dreams, and never and if you face challenges, those are a part of success. So keep challenging and overcome your challenges, and you will succeed in your goals.
Okay, now I'm giving the two words and you choose a one word like YouTube or Instagram. YouTube or Instagram.
YouTube.
Okay, ChatGPT or Gemini.
Chat gpt.
Okay, morning or night.
Morning.
Okay, laptop or mobile.
Laptop.
Okay, reading or watching.
Reading.
Online learning or classrooms.
Online learning.
Okay, favorite AI tool.
Chat gpt और मेटा है.
Okay, dream jobs.
Huh?
Dream job.
Say it again.
Your dream job.
I want to become a AI professional AI worker. And you can say I also want to become an astronaut because I love learning things about space.
Okay, nice. So nice of you. And success or happiness?
Happiness.
Okay. So thank you so much, Maran AI Valley, for joining the interview. And thank you so much, all of you, for watching our interview. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz, Maran.
I love this everyone.